Hey and welcome, I'm your boy Solo. In this video I'll be going over how to get more emotes in your Twitch chat and how to see all the emotes that others use. And before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. So what do I mean by how to see them? Well, some emotes use a Chrome extension and you may have seen like DJJ in chat or something like CatJam, but it showed words instead of letters. I'll be covering how to add them so you will actually see the emotes in your Twitch chat from any web browser. First I'll start with OBS. You can set up OBS so that you can see all the emotes in chat inside of OBS. So for this here, we're just going to open OBS. From here, we're just going to go to settings. And next we want to go to the stream tab. On the stream tab, it'll say Twitch chat add-ons. What I suggest doing is add better TTV and the Franker's face emotes. This will allow all of the emotes that people use to show up in your chat. So if you've seen someone that looks like kind of spam, that could have actually been an emote. So in your Twitch chat, you can just turn them on in here by adding both of them and click apply and OK. That'll just allow them to show up in here. So if you happen to monitor your chat only inside of OBS, you'll be able to at least see the ones that people are using. That's only good for you as a streamer. That'll turn them on in here. Now, if you're a viewer and want to turn them on and see them in other chats or even add a few of your own, it's very possible. So we're going to cover that next. What we're going to do is open up Google. Now, the channel I'm using for an example is Shiru. These here are all the emotes that were not showing up at first for me, and I had a hard time getting them to work. What I did was I searched for the emote. Stage is one I searched for, and it told me that it was a 7TV. So that's how you would add them. If you see an emote, well, you're not sure where it comes from, you can just type it in Google and it will show you where that emote comes from. For this example, I'm using Shiru's chat. This is a great chat. You should definitely come in, check it out, give a follow. Super big props. They have the 7 emotes here and you can use them all. I super love it. And when I came in here, they didn't show up at first and I had to install it for this is why I'm going through the video. There's a lot of emotes in this here chat and I super like using them. There is 3 main extensions that allow you to set up the emotes in your chat. Like I said, there's a lot of these here. You can add your custom ones. You can upload them. To get started, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and we're going to search for better TTV. This is just the first one we're going to add. There is 3. So for this one here, we're just going to click the top one. It's betterttv.com. When we click on it, it's going to load up and install it to Chrome is all you'll have to do. So once you click the install to Chrome, it's going to come here. It'll say load it up. Perfect. You're done. That's all you really need to do. If you have your own Twitch channel, go to their website. I definitely suggest this. Go to their website. In the dashboard, it'll allow you to see what ones you have added. And in the emotes here, you can click them and add them. So all you'd have to do is just add the channel. That's as easy as it is for a couple extra emotes. I'm going through this really fast. I do have a full video covering how to do this, set it up from scratch, add emotes, take them away. If you would like to see that, I will leave it down in the description below. I'm just covering this here very quick in this here video because I have 3 to cover. So that's it for this one here. This is the Better TTV dashboard. Once it's installed to your Chrome, you will be able to see these here in chat. So this will allow you to have like CatJam and it will show up for you. Now we're just going to close this one here, and in here you can click relate it for the other 2. Like you can get the Franker's face and the 7TV from here as well. So if you want to skip a step, and you can just click relate it and you can click these and install them. This will be the easiest way to do them. For me, I'm going to go through and search each one of them because they have a website where you can add your own emotes. So from the Franker's face emotes, all we'll have to do is click on here and it'll say download for Google Chrome. Just give that a click, install it to your Google Chrome. It'll bring you to the same thing, add to your Chrome, add extension. We're going to click back twice so that we can go to the website. That's the same here. You can go to the emotes, you can go to their about, you can go to the channel, you can connect it with Twitch, and it will allow you to customize the ones for your channel, and it'll allow you just to have a couple of more custom emotes of your own. I'm not really sure how to use this one here though. If this is one you would like to see more detail, definitely leave it in the description below, and I will cover this one here in more details, but I've only just found this one here just a little while ago, and I'm not really sure how to use it. I just added to my extension so I can at least see and use the emotes. Now the last one is 7TV. I find this one here is the best one. Now if I go back here to Shiru's Twitch here and I go down here, it'll show the 7TV emotes and you can click it here. This will allow you to use the emotes at just a click of a button where most other ones make you type it in. So I found a lot of the other ones very inconvenient, where this one here kind of puts it all together. It's kind of like the glue that holds them all in place, allows you to use them. So for this one here, we're just going to go do the same thing. We're going to go to the 7TV home, open it up, and here on the left side, it'll say browser extension. We just want to click the one that applies to you. So for me, this is Google Chrome. We're going to click that one. It's going to bring you to this here same page. Like I said back here, we could have clicked relate it and just installed them both here. Would have been much easier. But this here allows you to have the website open. So when you click it and install it, click add extension, and you're done. It doesn't show you anything else. But if you go to the website, it'll allow you to go through the emotes, select them, add your own, sign in and connect your Twitch so that you'll be able to have ones customized to your channel. Now, if you sign in with your Twitch and set up the emotes, you will have these here as custom emotes where you can upload your own if you would like, or just set it up so that you have a handful of these that you really like that will show up in your chat emotes. I like these here because you can customize them so much. With these three simple plugins and extensions, you can pretty much see every single emote that there is on Twitch. There's only a few other little ones that I haven't checked out yet. They'll have a couple more that people use, but I find these three are the most used and the easiest ones to set up. It's just click add, click add, click add, you're done. You can go back to the website and modify and change a lot more. And like I said, if you do want to see a more in-depth, detailed video about how to use and set up these for your individual channel, definitely leave it in the description below, and I will look into making another video. And same as if you think there's a better emote extension out there. Let me know in the comments below what it is, and I'll definitely take a look into it. It might be one that I incorporate into my next video. These are great ways to interact with the communities and stuff like that. I super love them. Most of these here do offer a free plan and a paid plan. If you want a lot more emotes than what they normally offer, you'll be able to actually look for the plans and subscribe. There's some more options. So if you really want a lot of emotes, most of these here do provide a paid plan that will add a handful more emotes, like hundreds of more. But that's it, really. Now you should be able to see all the emotes in others' chats and even use a few cool ones yourself. In my opinion, these are the 3 best emote extensions for Twitch. If you think there's a better one, leave it down in the description below. I would love to check out other ones if they're good. But that's it. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching.